How to log into Origin Bank mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you will find the search box, type in Origin Mortgage Login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, origin.bank, manage your mortgage loan, open it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top, you'll see the option of login. Click on that. Click on the option of personal or business banking. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your mortgages. All you have to do is provide the credentials and log into your online banking account. First up, type in the username. After you type in your username, click on login. Now click on continue with security code. Now select the phone number in which you want to receive the code. After you select the phone number, you can click on continue. With that, you'll be receiving one-time security code in the phone number that you have just chosen. Now type in the code over here and then click on submit. With that, you'll be logged into your account and you'll get access to the mortgages. So this is how you can easily log into Origin Bank mortgage account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.